Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding new users to your WordPress site. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official WordPress website. This is the starting point for managing your website and setting up new user accounts. After the page loads, look toward the upper right-hand corner where the login option is located. Click on this login button to access your account management area. This action will direct you to the sign-in interface needed to proceed with adding new users. Once you have initiated the login process, you will see an option labeled Continue with Google. Click on this option to simplify the authentication process. When you select Continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Choose your account from the available list. If you are already signed into your Google account, this selection step will be seamless and it provides a secure and efficient login experience. After successful authentication, you need to navigate to the section dedicated to managing subscribers. This page is an integral part of user management on your WordPress site. It displays the list of current users and gives you access to further administrative options. Take a moment to become familiar with the layout of this page, as it contains important controls for future user management. Next, move to the page where you can add a new user. On this page, rather than editing existing accounts, you will be initiating the setup for a new site member. This section is designed with simplicity in mind, guiding you through the process of creating a user account for someone new to your website. The user interface is generally straightforward, ensuring that every operator, regardless of technical background, can follow along. On the Add New User page, you will see an option to select the role for the new user. Roles in WordPress determine the level of access and control the user will have once they join your site. It is important to choose the appropriate role carefully based on the responsibilities you expect the user to have. Different roles come with varying permissions, so dedicate attention to selecting the role that aligns best with the intended tasks and level of oversight. After selecting the appropriate role, the next step is to enter the new user's email address or username. This information is essential for WordPress to send an invitation to the new user. It ensures that the account will be linked correctly and securely. Confirm that the details you have provided are accurate to avoid any issues with the invitation being delivered. The final action in this process is to send the invitation. Click the Send Invitation button and WordPress will quickly generate an email invitation to the new user. The recipient will receive instructions on how to set up their account and gain access to your site. This completes the invitation process for adding a new user. This detailed guide has laid out each step in order, ensuring that you can add new users to your WordPress site efficiently. Follow these instructions carefully to maintain a secure and well-organized user management system on your website. Enjoy managing your WordPress community and welcoming new members to your online space.